Okay, let's play knight f3 here. Okay, how do I gambit here? I'm trying to find a gambit. Okay, I'll play f3. This isn't really a trick, but I'll do something. Play knight c3 here. Update the wins to 60. I could play a3. I guess I'll just take with the pawn. So here, maybe knight e2 next move. Why am I not playing in Meltwater? Because it's starting at 4 a.m. local time, and it started at 4 a.m. local time. I mean, getting up even to be on at 6 a.m. is very, very difficult for me. So, additionally, I would say when you look at the other players like Ding Laurent, for example, he's playing a lot better now that the turn is being held at a more accommodating time for him. So it's very clear to me that trying to play at 4 a.m. is not. It's not going to work out well. And I'm not just going to play in the event just to play in the event. If I really like, because it could be 9 days of getting up at 4 a.m. And I know like just myself getting up at 6 a.m. is hard enough. 4 a.m. would just kill me. Am I not tired of answering the same question over and over? No, of course. I mean, but I think there are people who have not heard the answer before. So that's why I do try to prioritize it in a way. I'm glad they're doing it for Ding, though. He needs a dub. Yeah, I mean, of course, it's obviously quite unfair for him. Because I just take. Queen d4 and rook e1. Hit the pawn at e6. So is not in the US actually. Wesley So is in Europe right now. So he's not getting up at that hour. He's in, I think he's in Croatia if I'm not mistaken. So Wesley actually is not, he's not getting up at that hour. Oh, let's take the knight, take the queen. WTF, yeah. No players from North America are playing in this event. So yeah, it's very easy to forget that, but he's not in the US right now. Your patience with chat is incredible and much greater than most other streamers is. You're very well suited to this. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'm going to go here in knight d6 and hit the bishop and the rook with classic fork. Ding did not retire. You're thinking of Wang Hao. He's another Chinese player, and he did retire. How's Wesley doing that in Croatia? Do you have cameras? Well, I mean, I don't know. Well, it's like I don't know how any of them do it because surely Levon is also in Croatia. So